Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is December 24th, 2024, and we're diving deep into the GBPUSD market. Recent news reports from sources like FX Street and TradingView indicate that the GBPUSD has been consolidating near the 1.2550 level, with some suggesting a bearish trend if the daily close remains below 1.2880. Let's start by looking at the daily chart for GBPUSD. We see a recent period of consolidation, following a previous downtrend. Notice the lower volume in the recent candles, suggesting less trading activity. Zooming in on the last week's daily candles, we can see the recent price action more clearly. Note the minor resistance around 1.27 and support around 1.26. The price is currently trading slightly above this support, indicating possible bullish short-term momentum if the market sentiment shifts positively. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a finer view of recent price action. Here we can spot more short-term fluctuations and identify intraday support and resistance levels. The hourly chart shows some potential support levels near 1.2650 and resistance levels around 1.27. A break above 1.27 could signal a stronger bullish trend in the short term. Let's move to the 15-minute chart for the most granular view. Here we see the most recent price swings and the quickest changes in momentum. This 15-minute chart reveals the very recent price action, which can be noisy but helpful in very short-term trading strategies. However, it's important to remember that short-term price fluctuations are often not as indicative of long-term trends as the larger timeframes. Returning to the daily chart, we note the significant support around 1.25. A break below this level could trigger a more significant bearish move. Conversely, a sustained break above the 1.27 resistance would suggest a bullish reversal. Considering the news and the chart patterns, we can cautiously project potential scenarios. A move to 1.27 is moderately likely if there's positive news on the UK economy. Conversely, a drop to 1.25 has a higher likelihood if negative news emerges. In the short term, watch the 1.2650 support level on the 1-hour chart. A break below this could indicate a bearish reversal. A break above 1.27 could signal a bullish short-term trend. Keep an eye on the news and economic releases for confirmation. To summarize, key support levels are around 1.26 and 1.25 on the daily chart and around 1.2650 on the hourly chart. Key resistance levels are around 1.27 on the daily chart and 1.27 on the hourly chart. The likelihood of reaching these levels depends on the news. Positive UK economic data could push the price higher. Negative data could lead to lower prices. Always remember, this analysis is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Trade responsibly and manage your risk. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts.